What's that? There's so much trash here.
Ew!
I will save this beach.
Yoo-hoo!
I'm ready.
Hey,
Everyone, I came back.
wow,
Let's start cleaning up right away.
It's exactly what it works.
Wet harvester is the best. Great. Look what I do. I finished cleaning up everything.
It's not done yet. There's still so much trash here.
You mess all it up.
I'll upgrade the vehicle.
everyone, look.
Wow!
What a great car. Marvelous. Everyone admires me, don't they? I did it.
There he comes again.
Guys, what do you think?
This isn't helpful at all.
Oh my god!
Disappointing.
How did he do that? Trash still everywhere.
Oh no.
It was supposed to take the trash.
Yes, not leave it scattered.
It's all the same.
Unbelievable.
So tired.
Oh!
All right. Breakfast time. Now, where did I put the eggs? What the? Off to the store.
Oh no!
Wait, I'm still in my pajamas.
Dressed and ready. Nothing can stop me now.
Oh, come on. No keys? Gotcha. Not today, forgetfulness. Engines on. Eggs. Here I come. Whoa.
Lego sale. Just for a minute, I swear. 3 boxes? Totally worth it.
Breakfast can wait. It's building time.
Crisis kinda averted. I deserve a little break. Just 5 hours.
The Lego boxes. I left them outside? Stop! That's not trash. That's my treasure. I'm not losing my Legos to garbage today.
A little smelly.
How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Great, it's exactly what it works. Look what I did.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste.
Ho-ho! Ho-ho! Whoa!